So today is Monday, July the 9th, and I've got this mowing project to do today. I have not mowed this section since Wednesday. So it's been about 5 days since I've mowed this section and about 6 days since I've mowed over there. I've got some real annoying issues going on with the lawn today. So it's gone over the weekend and these suckers popped up. Suckers. They're kind of all over in the lawn here, and they're a real pisser offer. So I've got quite a few of these suckers here that I'm contending with. So I spot sprayed these little sections of PO right here. I don't know if you can see them, 1, 2, and 3, with some stuff from Fertilome called Over the Top. You're supposed to spray it on your beds where you have grass, and it's supposed to kill the grass that are inside your perennials or your flowers or your annuals. And so I sprayed it on there, kind of hoping that it would kill the POA and see what happens. And it looks like it's starting to look a little bit bad. So today I'm gonna do the drawing as well for the hats and the shirts. I appreciate all those people who entered, and for those people that helped me with the designs too. So I got some really cool designs. I'm gonna print up some shirts here pretty soon. So I gotta get this mowing done as quickly as possible because I've got 20,000 feet of mowing to do today, and I'm not gonna be able to do it all with the reel. So I have got to pound this out. So I'm just gonna do a single, just keep mowing and mow really quick and easy. Don't really want to use the grass catcher because I put down all that Milorganite down, put it down quite heavy, but I've got a lot of junk on the lawn that I want picked up, so I'm gonna use the grass catcher. Working fantastic. It's cutting quite a bit off. I'm really happy with what's going on here. So if it's not one thing, it's another with the cottonwood trees. I'm done with the cotton pods laying all over the grass. They've all kind of fallen down and I picked them all up, but now I'm dealing with these suckers coming up, which are a real pain. These suckers just come from the roots and come up and cause me heartache. So look how big this root is right here. It's big. I'm gonna see if I can pull this out of here. So I'm telling you, you cannot win with cottonwood trees. Look at this big root that I just pulled up out of the turf here. And it's too bad that I have to deal with that. So here's another one right here. It's pretty big. There's a pretty big knot right here on the surface of the soil, right here. And I'm gonna see if I can pull it out of there. Oh, that is so annoying. This is the soil that my grass is growing in. It's a clay soil, and it's a super dense, heavy clay soil. So this soil is quite terrible actually, but it's a testament that you can grow grass, good looking grass, in really kind of any crummy soil. So digging up the roots is inevitably gonna cause the tree to just send up more shoots. It thinks it's in danger or it thinks it's hurt. So it's an ongoing battle I face with these cottonwoods. So when I built this house, there were these cotton trees everywhere all through here, and I took them out with a backhoe, and I'm assuming these are the roots that are still here from when I took those out. I hope one day that I can take all these out, but I'll still have all these trees over there on that other side of the fence that are not mine. They will continue to send up suckers, but I think I'll get less if I cut these big cottonwood trees down. So I think I'm gonna do that, hopefully in the fall. My wife will let me. So do not do this at home. Hold it off, no spillage. Okay, so it's time for the main event. I'm gonna give away these 4 do my own hats. So I've got 2 blue hats and 2 red hats. And I've got these 2 2XL do my own t-shirts. So I wanna thank Do My Own for sending me these so I could give these away. I really appreciate that. I've got the YouTube random comment picker up here. We're gonna pick a couple of people, 6 people, and give these away. So I want to do more giveaways like this in the future. So if there's any vendors or people that want to give some stuff away on my channel, I'll be happy to give it away. Send me some stuff and we'll give it away. So I really like giving away other people's stuff. So here we go. Okay, so this is from Brian Watson. So Brian Watson, you win this shirt right here. This is a 2XL shirt, so contact me via email. I'll give you a week. And if you don't contact me within a week, then you're out. We'll give it to somebody else. Nathan H. I would love a hat. The lawn is looking fantastic, is what he says. So Nathan, you get the blue Do My Own hat. Contact me with your address so I can send it to you. So the next winner is A Cardinal 86. He says, I'd love a hat. My bald ass head keeps roasting like a turkey while being in the lawn. So we'll give him this one. Blue hat for A Cardinal 86. John Weber. He says, I'd like a hat from one lawn rebel to another. So you get the red hat, John Weber, whatever. So I shouldn't be here. He wants a hat. He said he subbed. So I shouldn't be here. Contact me. It might take a few picks to find somebody with a shirt. So Greg Bryan, hat please. No more hats. Those are gone. So the next winner is Nismo G35 SLVR. And he says, what if you made a shirt that says Lawn Cowboy? What the mustache, of course. Regardless, I want a shirt with either. It says, regardless, I want a shirt with either. Ha. So here you go, Nismo. Go ahead and contact me. You get the gray shirt. So that's it for the drawing. If you guys want a shirt or a hat, contact me within a week. And if I don't hear from you within a week, then I'm gonna give the shirt or hat to somebody else. And if there are any other sponsors that want to do some giveaways here on the channel, contact me and we'll give away some stuff. So appreciate you guys watching these videos, and we'll see you in the next one.